ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। সকলকে স্বাগতম। গত পর্বে আমি আলোচনা করেছিলাম জব রেসপন্সিবিলিটি অব ওয়াইন্ডিং ইনচার্জ। এই পর্বে আলোচনা করব জব রেসপন্সিবিলিটি অব ইয়ান ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন ইনচার্জ। জব রেসপন্সিবিলিটিকে কয়েকটি ভাগে ভাগ করে আলোচনা করব, যেমন অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটিভ, প্রোডাকশন, কোয়ালিটি, কমপ্লায়েন্স। অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটিভ: কোম্পানি রুলস, অফিস অর্ডার, ম্যানেজমেন্ট ইনফরমেশন, টাইমলি রিপোর্ট, রিক্রুটমেন্ট, ডিসিপ্লিন। প্রোডাকশন: production planning, work measurement, work setting, work distribution, priority setting, to fix working hour, highest use of working hour, joining the work at the right time, ensure work environment, logistic support for target production, safe materials handling, control working wastage, issue receipt with counting, to make plan for next days, to keep an eye on knitting capacity, 3 days yarn reserve for knitting, to coordinate to all department. Yarn must be weighted by electronic scale, lab dip check for each work, to make swatch for color approval, to make sweater as packing assortment, to make production file for each work, to fix best process for yarn distribution, to keep bulk yarn lot wise, to protect lot mixing in production, to solve yarn related all issues, to fix body, neck, etc. yarn consumption, to maintain issue receipt record, to take yarn color shade approval, to attend PP meeting. To check why do you work frequently, to receive wastage and keep record, to receive wastage and keep record, to keep yarn record style wise, color wise, to keep all issue receipt balance record regularly, to fix issue receipt procedure for day and night shift, to make body and other accessories at the same time, to prepare production report at the same day, to maintain contract weight strictly, to prepare issue and receive statement style wise, to prepare yarn consumption statement style wise. Yarn distribution in charge is responsible for yarn related all issues, to fix size mark yarn and to issue respective department, to keep an eye on different process and cartooning. Coming damaged goods have to remake without delay, to take protective initiative for not arise any problem. Quality: goods can't keep on the floor directly. The yarn keeping place shall be clean. All color must be kept separate. Only OK yarn have to issue to knitting department. Always keep the floor clean. Two colors will not issue side by side machine. Two lots will not produce together. To avoid lot mixing. To avoid other color dust mixing. To keep color swatch for easy understanding. To report to management any quality issue. YD in charge have to maintain contact weight. Compliance. Ensure personal safety first, then machine. Compliance requirements, compliance laws, compliance rules, compliance policies, compliance standards. That's all for the moment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.